So we've got a Geberit hidden flush system here, and basically it's leaking water all the way through, so we're going to open it up and take a look. So these units actually slide off. And basically these push in, help you pull, and it slides off the end there. So there'll be two screws here. So we're going to take that out and disassemble the inner plastic and the outer plastic, and then these are the two flusher buttons that are connected to the half flush and the full flush. So the screws have just been removed, the last one here, and this top plastic just slides away, and then you've got these securing pins that actually twist, I believe, into place. And then that's loosen, and then this will slide out. But I may need two hands, but you get the idea. Not sure if you can hear the water. Basically, because there's a leak, the water level drops. The bullcock drops down, gets to a certain level, and then it needs to fill up. And every minute or two, it constantly pumps water out. So this has been unscrewed now, and I can take this away. And then inside you can see the internals. There's not much space inside there, and obviously it's pretty dark. So what I'm going to have to do is loosen this off. It looks like it's taped in there, which is not normal. So you can hear the water pumping out because a certain level has been lost and it's dropped down. And then behind it you can see part of the bullcock arm, and I think the bullcock is around at the side. So the next step was to remove the two half flush and the full flush mechanism. This was just on this unit, was taped down, so once I took the tape off, it could be released. Now at the back, you'll see the little groove mark just there, is part of the plunger. Now I've disconnected it at the back, which is just this piece here, and you can see part of the mechanism here that lifts up basically and releases all the water to go down. Now basically it's got this large rubber seal which sits around. Now you can see it's full of limescale, which ordinarily you can clean off, but there's lumps and bumps in it as well, so I think the integrity is gone here. Fortunately, because it's happened on another toilet, we've got a spare ring, so I'm going to just fit that on there. I've given these two units a clean, and then we'll reassemble. So we can see I've just pushed the unit back in. Unfortunately I couldn't get any footage, but it slides in. There's actually a cylinder around the hole to feed into the flush system, so you've got to actually drop this into that cylinder, and then you can see this black part. If you squeeze it together, it comes out, and then we can get the flusher buttons back on top. Now the cistern is full of water, and there's actually no dribbling through, so we can see that seal has worked. Okay, so now we've got the push buttons in. There's actually on the back, there's two holes that the unit will fit into. There's two little hooks which slide into the half flush and the full flush cylinders, so when you push each button it should come up with the corresponding one, and then this will just pop out, so we can fit these back in, and then we'll be able to pop this back on top, which unfortunately I need two hands for. Okay, all fitted. Mini flash, full flush, job done.